how to find Jonathan Montoya's 3-day challenge funnel for Systeme.io. So basically, if you are searching and if you want to know that how you can get the 3-day challenge funnel of Jonathan Montoya for Systeme.io, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the funnel and how you can start promoting Freedom Breakthrough and 3-day challenge. So let's just begin the video. So hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to help you to build your business around your passion, skill and knowledge by tapping the power of sales and marketing funnels, and help you to live the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just see that how we can get this funnel of Jonathan Montoya, and how we can start promoting it with the help of Systeme.io. So basically, the Freedom Breakthrough and 3-day challenge by Jonathan Montoya is a challenge in which he teaches about affiliate marketing. 3-day challenge is a basic level program, and Freedom Breakthrough is an advanced level program. And these programs teaches people about affiliate marketing, how they can start affiliate marketing and start making money with the help of affiliate marketing. Initially, when Freedom Breakthrough was launched, the only funnel that Jonathan was providing was the click funnels. Okay, so the funnel was pre-made funnel, and that funnel you can import in your ClickFunnels account. So it was when the program was launched initially, but later he also introduced funnel with Systeme.io. So basically, Systeme.io is an alternative of ClickFunnels, and it's a much cost effective alternative of ClickFunnels. For example, ClickFunnels, the initial entry level program of ClickFunnels starts with $97 per month, and if I talk about Systeme.io, so the highest level program, the highest pricing plan that they have is actually $97 per month, and they are starting they have the plan that starts as low as $27 per month, and even they have a free plan as well, which is more than sufficient to start affiliate marketing. So basically, that is why Jonathan introduced the Systeme.io inside the 3-day challenge. And what he's doing, he is giving you his entire funnel that you can use to promote the Freedom Breakthrough and 3-day challenge. And you can get this funnel, and you can import this funnel in your Systeme account, which is completely free to start. So basically, you can start completely free by creating a free account in Systeme.io and then importing the funnel that is given by Jonathan into your Systeme account, and then start promoting it with the strategies that is taught inside the challenge itself. So the question is how you can get the funnel. So let's just see how you can get the funnel. So it's very easy. Like, when you will sign up for the 3-day challenge, then what you need to do after signing up in the challenge, you will log in into your dashboard. So basically, when you log in into inside the dashboard, inside your member area, you will have a member area like this. And in this member area, what you need to do, you need to go to day number 2. Okay, and when you go to day number 2, what will happen, you scroll down and you will see that here it is given like free funnel builder alternative Systeme.io, get your free account. So basically, you have to click this button to create the account in Systeme.io, and you have to and then to import the funnel, you scroll down and you will see here free alternative, import my complete funnel in Systeme.io. Okay, so in this way you can import the funnel in your Systeme.io account, right? If by clicking on this button. So this is how you will be able to do it. And you can import the funnel. If I will show you the funnel, if you want to see the funnel, I will show you the funnel as well. So let me just do it. What I will do, I will log in into my Systeme account and I will show you. So let me just do it, because I have this funnel inside my Systeme account. So now I am inside my system accounts, and let me show you the funnel which you will get when you will click that button and import the funnel in your account. So now you can see that this is the this when I will go to funnels, I have this funnel which I have imported, and now I'll now let it load, and let me show you that how it looks. So basically when you import the funnel, it will look like this. Okay, basically you will get this page. This is the first page with a pop-up. So basically when you click on this button, there is a pop-up to collect the email address, and then there is a second page. So let me just show you the thank you page as well, and let me just show you the last sales page as well. So basically it's a 3-page funnel. So this is the first page. When you click the button, you will get this kind of pop-up where the person will enter the email address, so that you will get the email, you will generate the lead. Then there is a page which is a thank you page, and then there is a sales page. So basically this is the thank you page, where the person will be able to get the information that how he can get the ebook, and the ebook will be emailed to the person when he will enter the email. And you have to set this up, right? You have to set this up. Jonathan will teach you exactly how you will set up this whole system, so that whenever someone enters the email, he will get the ebook. It will be shown to you inside the challenge itself. You will learn all these things. Then the third thing is basically here is the third page, which is a sales page, and in the sales page you will be able to pre-frame the person for buying the 3-day challenge, or maybe if you want to sell, you can sell the freedom breakthrough as well. So it's totally up to you. But here you can see he's giving you 3-day challenge with Jonathan Montoya. So you have to put your video or something here that will pre-frame the people about this challenge, so that they will click this button, and this here you will have your affiliate link, which when they will click, they will be taken to the sales page, and if they will enroll, you will get the commission. And in this challenge you are getting 50% commission, right? So this is the 3-page funnel. This is the first page, which is a lead generation page, and this is the second page, which is a thank you page, and this is the third page, which is a sales page, or I would say it's a bridge page basically, that will pre-frame the people to click on your affiliate link, which you will place here inside this button, right? So this is the whole funnel, and you will get this funnel when you enroll in the challenge itself, the 3-day challenge. This is the 3-day challenge. Basically you can see 3-day business breakthrough challenge 2.0. When you will enroll, you will get this funnel, and I have already told you like how you will get this funnel. You will click on day 2, and here when you scroll down, you will have the link to import the funnel. Now if you want to enroll in freedom breakthrough, then I have given the link in the description, the first link in the description, that you can go and you can click to sign up for the 3-day challenge. Because when you sign up, it's just a $7 investment, but when you sign up, you will get this funnel, you will get this 3-day training that will teach you and that will help you to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you are interested, just click the link and enroll in the program. And also, if there is one added bonus, if you once you have enrolled, just reach out to me in any social media platform. You will get all the links inside in the description. So reach out to me, and what I will do, I will give you the personal guidance, personal assistance if you will face any problem, and I will help you to get started with with affiliate marketing, or with anything that you want basically. So this is the special added bonus from my side. I am giving you the extra support, so that you will, if you will feel stuck somewhere, you can reach out to me, and I will help you. So that's all for this video. I hope you really like the video, and if you want to know more about freedom breakthrough and the challenge and 3-day challenge, then I have created the whole video about explaining the program. So just go watch this video on the top, basically this video on the top. And also, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then watch the video in the bottom. And with this video I'm talking about affiliate marketing, and I will show you that how you can start affiliate marketing. So that's all. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.